Hello everyone, welcome to Lekker Treats and thank you so much for being here. If this is your first time here, you are warmly welcome, and to all my returning subscribers, thanks a lot for your support. In today's video, we'll be making jollof rice with chicken. For this, we need about 80 ml of oil, 1 kilogram basmati rice or any rice of your choice, 1 red bell pepper, 3 onions, 2 habanero pepper, 5 cloves of garlic and 40 grams ginger, 100 grams of tomato paste, 2 cans of chopped tomatoes. We need 100 grams green peas, 12 pieces of chicken thighs and chicken drumsticks, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon each of dried thyme and parsley, some salt to taste, and 2 tablespoons of curry powder. As usual, all ingredients are listed in the description box below. Begin by chopping up 2.5 pieces of our onion, ginger, and bell pepper. We'll then take half of our chopped onions, our ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, and 1 green habanero pepper. Blend it up and use it to season our chicken. The remaining chopped ingredients will be blending and use for our stew. So in a saucepan, we'll be placing our chicken drumsticks and thighs, and then pour over this our blended ginger, garlic, and onion mix. I added about 200 ml of water, some parsley, and salt. Mix everything well and allow this to simmer on medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. We just need a stock from this to use for our stew. So 10 to 15 minutes later, we'll be taking out our chicken, and at this point you can fry it or bake it. I'll be baking mine today. So you take out your chicken and then we save the stock to use for our stew. I'll be placing the chicken on my baking tray and keep it aside to bake later. Next, in a saucepan, pour about 80 ml of oil and add the chopped onions. Allow this to saute for just a couple of minutes and then add the tomato paste. Please subscribe to this channel if you've not done yet for food-related content. Once the tomato paste begins to clump together, we'll be adding our blended bell pepper and the remaining chopped ingredients. We'll also be adding our chopped tomato. We'll add our dry thyme, some salt, and our bay leaves. We'll also add our chicken stock and mix everything well together. Cover and allow to cook on medium heat. Be sure to stir from time to time. At this point, we'll be baking our chicken in a 200 degrees Celsius oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. Flip it halfway through the cooking time. Our stew is almost done. We'll be adding our curry powder, give it a good mix and allow to cook until it's completely done. We'll then add our washed rice, and I washed the rice about 3 times to prevent it from sticking together. And then add about 800 ml of water, our green peas, and some salt to taste. Mix it very well and cover and allow to cook on low medium heat. Next, we'll be preparing some salad at the side. I used some cabbage, cucumber, and carrots. Just toss everything together, cover with a cling film, and keep in the fridge until your food is ready to serve. So we'll be stirring our rice to prevent it from burning, and our jollof is almost done. Our chicken is done as well. So there we have it, another simple, easy, and lekker recipe. You can enjoy this meal with some shito at the side. Please check out my shito recipe if you've not done yet. It's so quick and easy to make at home. Thanks a lot for watching, and please subscribe. Click on the notification bell to be notified when new videos are uploaded. Like, share, and comment. Until I come your way again, it's bye!